Alright, so this is a spot we've cleared before, or that we spent a lot of time clearing last year. This was all full of Elaeagnuses. Most folks call them ugly Agnes because when they take over it gets ugly. I need to work on opening up some drainage through there so this will come through. Oh, looks like I can get through here. Let me try. The Agneses were all through here as well, and all solid. When you'd look, our bedroom window's right there, and when you'd look out, all you would see is those shrubs. You couldn't even see back into the woods. Alright, so this is our trail that I put in. Puppies, no. Otto. Alright, so we are full of water back here, which I thought we would be. But we're draining down into here, which feeds into the creek. So I don't think it'll be too long before that dries up. Oh, when we're over by Francis, I should have checked the rain gauge. Got a decent amount of rain now. I'll have to check out the gauge over by Francis in a bit. Some vine right here. So I'm going to stop this one and continue again. I like going in 2-minute chunks.